Winter can be unpredictable, and getting stranded in your car during a snowstorm or icy conditions is more common than you'd think. Whether you're commuting to work or traveling for the holidays, having a well-equipped vehicle emergency kit could be the difference between life and death. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to prepare for winter driving emergencies, ensuring you have the skills and supplies to stay safe in even the harshest conditions. Let's start with the basics. Wool blankets are your first line of defense against the cold. Unlike cotton, wool retains heat even when it's wet, making it ideal for freezing conditions. You should also pack high-quality winter boots and insulated gloves. Your extremities are most susceptible to frostbite, so keeping them protected is crucial. Don't forget to include a sleeping bag rated for negative temperatures. These bags are designed to keep you warm even in sub-zero conditions, which could be essential if you find yourself needing to stay overnight in your vehicle. Now, let's move on to additional gear that can make a significant difference. Hand warmers are small but mighty, providing hours of heat to keep your hands from going numb. A portable stove is another great addition. Not only can it help you melt snow for water, but it can also be used to prepare warm meals, which is crucial for maintaining your energy levels in the cold. A snow shovel is a must-have for digging your car out if it's buried, but it can also be used to clear a path or even create a makeshift shelter. An ice fishing sled isn't just for fishing. It could be an excellent tool for transporting gear across snowy terrain or even moving an injured person if necessary. Water is essential for survival, but in freezing conditions, it can quickly turn to ice. Store water in insulated containers to prevent it from freezing and keep a few bottles in your car at all times. To supplement your supply, consider including water purification tablets or a portable filter in your kit, especially if you need to rely on melted snow. Remember, never eat snow directly. It will lower your core body temperature and increase the risk of hypothermia. Instead, melt snow using a portable stove or a fire if you can safely start one. A well-stocked first aid kit is crucial in any emergency situation. Make sure yours includes all the basics such as bandages, antiseptics, and pain relievers. However, you should also add any personal medications you might need and a list of emergency contacts. For winter emergencies, it's also wise to pack thermal blankets, which can provide extra warmth in case someone shows signs of hypothermia. Include a flashlight and extra batteries in your first aid kit so you can see and be seen in low visibility conditions. Fitness is more important than you might think in a survival situation. Keeping yourself in good physical condition can help you manage the physical challenges of winter emergencies, like shoveling snow or walking long distances if you need to abandon your vehicle. Consider taking a winter survival training course, which can teach you essential skills like building a snow shelter, starting a fire in wet conditions, and using a compass to navigate in snowy terrain. Being physically prepared can increase your chances of survival and make you more resilient in tough situations. Winter emergencies can happen to anyone, and preparation is key to ensuring you and your loved ones stay safe. Remember, your vehicle emergency kit should be tailored to your specific needs and the conditions you are most likely to face. Start assembling your kit today and make sure to keep it updated throughout the season. For more detailed information on winter survival and other preparedness tips, visit the Survival Summit website. Stay safe out there, and remember, preparedness is the key to survival.